In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create bullet lists in Coda so you can organize your information into clear, easy to read points right inside your documents. Coda is a powerful all-in-one doc that blends documents, spreadsheets, and databases, and using bullet lists is one of the simplest ways to structure your ideas, take notes, or summarize information without cluttering your page. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. To begin, open your web browser and head over to coda.io. You'll want to sign into your Coda account using whichever method you prefer, whether that's your Google account, Apple ID, or email. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Docs dashboard, which shows all the documents you've created or that have been shared with you. Now locate the document where you want to add your bullet list and open it. Once inside, navigate to the specific page where you'd like the list to appear. If you're starting from scratch, you can create a new page by clicking the plus icon next to the page list. But if you're adding to an existing page, simply scroll to the spot where the list should go. Take a moment to think about where this list fits best in your document's flow, because a well-placed list can make your information instantly more digestible. Next, hover your cursor over the page area until you see a small plus button appear, often labeled Add or just a plus sign. This is your gateway to adding all kinds of content blocks in Coda. Click that Add button, and a drop-down menu will open up, showing you various options like text, tables, images, and more. From this menu, select Bullet List. Coda will instantly insert a fresh bullet list block into your page, giving you a clean starting point. You'll notice the first bullet point is already active and ready for you to type. Simply click on it and begin typing your first list item. It could be a task, an idea, a note, or anything you want to capture. When you're done with that first point, press the Enter key on your keyboard, and Coda will automatically create a new bullet underneath. Continue this process for each item you want to add, and you'll see your list grow as you go. But what if you need to create a sublist or a nested list? That's where the Tab key comes in handy. If you want to indent a bullet point under the previous item to show a relationship or hierarchy, simply press Tab while your cursor is on that bullet. The item will move to the right, becoming a child of the bullet above it. To move it back to the main level, press Shift plus Tab. This is a great way to group related points or add supporting details without cluttering your main list. Just be careful not to overdo it. Too many nested levels can make your list harder to read, so use them only when you need to show clear subcategories or dependencies. Once you've entered all your items, take a moment to review the list. Ensure your points follow a logical order and that each bullet is concise and focused. One of the best things about Coda is that you can edit or remove bullets at any time. If you need to add a new point in the middle, just click between two bullets and press Enter. To delete a bullet, backspace when it's empty or highlight the entire line and delete it. This flexibility means your list can evolve as your thinking evolves. A really handy thing to know is that Coda automatically saves your changes as you work. There's no save button to click, and no risk of losing your progress if you close the tab. So as you type, rearrange, or delete items, every change is instantly saved to the cloud. That peace of mind lets you focus on crafting your content rather than worrying about manual saves. Using bullet lists in Coda helps break large amounts of information into smaller, more readable sections. This makes your documents much easier to scan and understand. Whether you're outlining a project plan, summarizing meeting notes, or listing action items. For best results, keep each bullet point short and concise. Group related items together in the same list, and keep your bullet formatting consistent throughout the document. Use nested bullets only when they genuinely add clarity. And remember, bullet lists are perfect for unordered information. If you need to show a sequence or a priority order, consider using a numbered list or a checkbox list instead. So there you have it. You now know how to create and customize bullet lists in Coda, giving you a simple but powerful way to organize your notes, ideas, and information. Whether you're planning a project, drafting an outline, or just jotting down thoughts, bullet lists will keep your documents clean and scannable. If you want to go further, try combining bullet lists with tables or Kanban boards for even richer organization. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, save it for later or revisit these steps whenever you need a quick refresher.